Hey guys, welcome back to Couponing Tips and Tricks. So we're going to go ahead and start with our CVS hauls for beginners. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the video, starting off with our first deal. So our first deal is going to be on the Always and Tampax. These are going to spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck. So we're going to be picking up 3 of these, and these are on a BOGO at $5.99. The next thing that we're going to pick up are the Lady Speed Sticks deodorant, priced at $3.99, and we're going to get a $2 extra buck for those. Next, you can see that I'm grabbing the Colgate toothbrushes. These are also $3.99, along with the mouthwashes. Now, you can either choose those or the mouthwashes, but still, you'll get back that $5 extra buck. So starting off with the Always Radiant pads, these don't want to spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck. We're going to grab 3 at $5.99 each. These will total us $14.99. Now if your store does follow along with that 98% rule, you'll pay $14.99. You'll use that $4 off of 2 paper coupon from the P&G and that $4 digital, which is stacking with a paper coupon. We're going to pay $6.97, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.97 or 65 cents per box. So that's actually a really good deal. I would suggest stocking up on this. Once again, if your store does complete the 98% rule, you should be completely fine and receive that $5 extra buck. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the Lady Speed Sticks. These are going to buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck. We're going to grab 2 Speed Sticks at $3.59. These are on a BOGO, so these are going to price us at $5.88. We're going to use a $1 app-only coupon, and then we're going to use our 50-cent app-only coupon. We're going to use 2 50-cent internet printables, it's supposed to say internet printables, from the Speed Stick website. We're going to pay $2.88, get back the $2 extra buck. Our final cost is going to be 88 cents or 44 cents for each deodorant. So that's actually a really good price. For deodorant, I would actually pay no more than $1 for each stick. So putting us at 44 cents each is a really good stock up price. Next, we're picking up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash, or you could pick up 2 of the toothbrushes. But these are on the same promo for buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. We're going to grab 2 at $3.99, pricing us at $7.98. We're going to use 2 75-cent Colgate printables, $1 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, pay $5.48 and get back that $5 extra buck. And for everything, it's going to total us at $28.85. We have $13.02 in coupons, leaving us to pay $15.83 out of pocket. You can use extra bucks to lower your out of pocket, receive $12 in extra bucks. Our final cost is going to be $3.82 or 54 cents for each item. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more hauls. CVS, I will also be completing a Walgreens video for the week for next week's deals. So once again, subscribe, like, and share.